Understanding the TFSA, your tax-free savings haven. The TFSA or tax-free savings account is a fantastic tool for Canadians. It helps you save money and grow it tax-free. Introduced in 2009, the TFSA is designed for all Canadians, regardless of income. Whether you're saving for a down payment, a vacation, or retirement, the TFSA is a great option. With a TFSA, you don't pay tax on your investment earnings. Plus, you can withdraw your money anytime without any penalties. This flexibility makes it an ideal choice for both short-term and long-term savings goals. In this guide, we'll explore the ins and outs of the TFSA, providing you with the knowledge to make informed financial decisions. How TFSAs work. Growing your money tax-free. Opening a TFSA is simple. You can do it through your bank or other financial institution. Each year, the government sets a contribution limit. You can contribute up to this limit, and any unused contribution room carries forward to future years. Inside your TFSA, you can hold a variety of investments. These include savings accounts, GICs, stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. As your investments grow within the TFSA, you won't pay any tax on the interest, dividends, or capital gains. This tax-free growth is a significant advantage of the TFSA. It allows your savings to compound faster, helping you reach your financial goals sooner. Unlike RRSPs, withdrawals from your TFSA are not taxed. This feature makes the TFSA a great option for short-term savings goals and emergencies. Benefits of TFSAs. Enjoying tax-free growth and flexibility. The TFSA offers numerous benefits to Canadians. The most significant benefit is tax-free growth. Your money grows faster in a TFSA compared to a taxable account. This is because you keep all the investment income earned within the account. Another major benefit is flexibility. You can withdraw funds from your TFSA at any time, for any reason, without penalty. This makes it an ideal choice for both short-term and long-term savings goals. TFSAs also provide peace of mind. You don't have to worry about complex withdrawal rules or tax implications. This simplicity makes it easy to manage your savings and stay on track with your financial goals. Furthermore, TFSAs are accessible to all Canadians, regardless of their income level. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or a retiree, you can benefit from the tax advantages and flexibility of a TFSA. Understanding the key features of a TFSA is essential for maximizing its benefits. TFSA contributions are not tax deductible. This means they won't lower your taxable income in the year they are made. However, the money grows tax-free inside the TFSA, and you won't pay any tax when you withdraw it. Each year, the government sets a TFSA contribution limit. For 2023, the limit is $6,500. Unused contribution room from previous years can be carried forward. Withdrawals from your TFSA are tax-free. The withdrawn amount is added back to your contribution room in the following year. This allows you to reinvest the money and continue growing your savings tax-free. It's important to note that over-contributions to your TFSA can result in penalties. Be sure to keep track of your contributions and stay within the annual limit. To make the most of your TFSA, consider these tips. Start early. The sooner you start contributing to your TFSA, the more time your money has to grow tax-free. Maximize your contributions each year to take advantage of the full tax-free growth potential. Consider investing in a diversified portfolio of assets within your TFSA. This can help to mitigate risk and maximize your returns. Take advantage of the flexibility of your TFSA by using it for both short-term and long-term savings goals. Regularly review your TFSA and make adjustments as needed to ensure it aligns with your financial goals. By following these tips, you can maximize the benefits of your TFSA and achieve your financial aspirations. Remember, the TFSA is a powerful tool for building wealth and securing your financial future.